Good morning, students. Today I will tell you how can you do the division of time. So it's also very easy. See what is the process here. Just try to understand. Same process. First write hour, minute, second separately. Then write this. I mean in division format. Acha. For this, for the division also you have to do the division separately. Okay. And the remainder will be carried to the next place. Okay, I'm telling. Okay, first say hour 6 hour. Okay, so 6 divided by 3, so it will be 2. 3 to 6. Okay, so no remainder is there. There is no remainder. Okay, there is no remainder. Now it's 24. 24. Listen one thing, for normal division only one digit come, but for this case, for the time, whole place number will come. See, minute place, in the minute place there is 24, so 24 will come. Okay, now do the division. 324, so 3 8 24. Again it's divisible. Next, 36, the whole number. So 3 36, 3 12 36. So the answer is 6 hour 24 minute 36 second divided by 3 is equals to, this is answer, 2 hour 8 minute 12 seconds. Clear? This is our result. This is the result. Understood? Understood? Okay. Next sum. Next example. Mm, to C. Number C sum. 10 hour 55 minutes 45 seconds divided by 5. Achha, not 10. 10 is very easy. You do D. Now I will tell you D. D. It's 16 hour 3 minutes and 39 seconds divided by 3. Okay, so first hour, minute, second. Okay, लाइन थोड़ा टेढ़ा हो गया. So hour 16 hour, minute 3 minutes 39 seconds. Okay, divided by 3. So see, actually that means for this case here what have I said? I say when you are doing the division na, the division, the place, whole place number. Okay, like 6, the whole number is divisible. It is not possible. Just see, if suppose there is a number which is not divisible, so for that case, don't take this number. I mean minute place number together. Clear? Acha, and one thing you have to remember, for the addition, subtraction, and for the multiplication, I have to start with the second place, but for division, we have to start with our place. Okay, we have to start with our place. Clear? Clear? Okay. See, come to this sum. So 50, sorry, 16 not is divisible. 16 is not divisible. So 3 5 15. 1 hour. So hour means, so remaining is, what is the remainder here? Remainder is 1 hour. Remainder is 1 hour. Acha. Next it is 3. Acha, 1 hour. Now I have to do, so our division, our part is completed. Now I have to come to the minute part. Okay, now I have to come to the minute part. So see, for the minute part, uh, it is 3. Okay, no problem. But here I have remainder, 1 hour is the remainder. So what we have to do? So this remainder will be carried for the next place. I have said the remainder will be carried to the next place. So 1 hour will be carried in the minute place. 1 hour will be carried in the minute place, but we can't add 1 plus 3 because 1 is in hour unit but 3 is in minute unit. So first I have to convert this 1 hour into minute. So 1 hour means 60 minutes. 60 minutes, and there is already 3 minutes. So 60 plus 3, it will be 63. Clear what have I done? Clear. Here 1 is the remainder, 1 hour is remainder. So this remainder will be carried for the next place. Next place is minute place. So I have to carry 1 hour to the minute place. Okay, so 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes and already 3 minutes are there. So total will be 60 plus 3 is equals to 63 minutes. Clear. But if it is suppose 2 hour, if the remainder is 2, so 2 hour is equals to 120 minutes. So 120 plus 3, that will be 123 minutes. Okay, that means first check the hour. Okay, then multiply with 60, then add with the minute number, minute place number. Clear? What did I say? First check the remainder of the hour place, then multiply with that number with 60, then add this number with the minute place number, and then write here. Okay, so 363, 3 to the okay, 3 to 6 and 3 1 the 3. Okay, and last remaining is 39. So you see here is no remainder, that means 0. So 0 minutes, 0 seconds, so no number will be carried. Okay, 39. So 3 1 ja 3. Normal division, now normal division, 9, 3 3 ja 9. That means here see one thing, if you see for particular place I have to do the normal division. See, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 1 ja 3. So I mean for particular place normal division. Okay, but here what is the new thing? Just if there is remainder, that remainder will be carried for the next place. Okay, and for the next place you have to, when you carry the number, then you have to just convert all the units in a same unit. Okay, like here hour to minute, so I have to convert all the hour into minute units. Okay, so here answer is, I am writing the answer. Answer is 5 hour 21 minute and 13 seconds. Clear? This is the result. Clear? Any problem? Another example. Wait. Another example. Last example. Age 34 hour 9 minute 4 second divided by 8. Okay, so same process, hour, minute, seconds. 34 hour 9 minute 4 second divided by 8. Achha, 34 is not divisible, so 8 4s are 32. So it will be 2. Acha, now see one thing. 2 hour is the remainder. 2 hour is the remainder. So 2 hour is equals to how many minutes? 2 hour means 120 minutes. 2 hour means 120 minutes. So 120 plus 9, it will be 129. Clear? Why is it 129? Now do the normal division. 8 1 8 4 9. Okay. So 8 6 48. Remainder is 1. 1 minute is equals to how many seconds? 60 seconds. So 60 plus 4, it will be 64 seconds. 64 seconds. And now 8 8 is 64. So the answer is 4 hours 16 minutes 8 seconds. Clear? How does this come? Clear the process or not? Okay, start the division. First write hour, minute and second. Okay, then below the hour write the hour place number, below the minute place number, below the second place number. Then in the left side write the divisor. Okay, next for do the division for the particular place. Okay, and follow the normal division rule. Okay, so 8 4 32. Now 2 is the remaining, but here 2 is hour. So don't carry this 2 9. No, it will not be 29. Okay, for the normal division I write 2 then 9 29, but for this case it will not happen because here 2 is in hour, but this is minute place. So first convert this hour place into minute. Okay, so 2 hour means 120 minutes. Okay, so 120 and 9 minutes already there. So 120 plus 9, 129. Then again do the normal division. 8 1 8, 4 so difference, and 9. So 49, 8 6 are 48, 1. Again 1 minute is the remainder. 1 minute is also 60 seconds. 60 seconds, 40 seconds are already there. So 60 plus 4, sorry 4. 60 plus 4, 64 seconds. So 8 8 64. So the answer is 8. Okay, and the rest, I mean the number 3 4 5 6 are the actually अच्छा और एक वार्ड सम कर देते हैं, ठीक है। अच्छा एक वार्ड सम कौन सा कर दे, कौन सा कर दे। नंबर 5, नंबर 5। okay, see the number 5 sum. You have to do the rest of the sums of this exercise. Okay, see the sum. A man prays for 30 minutes every day. How much time does he spend in prayers in a week? Acha, so each day prayer time 30 minutes. Okay, each day prayer time 30 minutes. Okay, okay, so I am writing, see, he prays for 30 minutes every day, that means in a he prays for 30 minutes every day. That means for he spends 30 minutes for pray in a single day. In a single day he prays for 30 minutes in a single day. That means suppose Sunday he spent 30 minutes for the praying. Okay, but here you have to find he spent in a week. How much times does he spend in prayers in a week? Acha, now tell me, 1 week is equals to how many days? 1 week is equals to 7 days. 7 days. So see, 1 day time spent 30 minutes. So 7 day, what you have to do? Just think and say 1 day 30 minutes. 7 day how many minutes? How much minutes? Simple, just do the multiplication. Suppose value of 1 pen is 10 rupees. So value of 3 pens must be 3 into 10, 30 rupees. That means multiplication, same process. 1 day 30 minutes. 7 days 30 into 7 minutes. So total time spent in a week is equals to 30 minutes into 7. 30 minutes into 7. So 30 minutes into 7 minute 30 and 7. So it will be, see, it will be 210 minutes. 210 minutes. So now 210 minutes. Now I have to convert this 210 into hour. So I have to divide it with 60. 60 into 3, 180. Okay, and it will be 30. So total time spent in a week in prayer is equals to, this is the quotient and this is the remainder. So quotient must be hour and remainder must be minute. So is equals to 3 hour 30 minutes. Understood the process? That is very easy. 1 day 30 minutes and you have to find the total time for 7 days. So simple, 1 day 30 minutes, 7 days 7 into 30 minutes. Okay students, I hope you all have understood. If you have any query, you can message me or you can call me. Okay, and your home task, chapter exercise 14C, rest of the sums. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.